Hi, and welcome to Studio G, where creativity happens. Today, we are going to be making a little Valentine garland. I have 4 already on my string, and we're going to add some more. So I have my little baby Cricut Joy here, and I cut out some paper to put on my mat. And we're gonna wait for Cricut to come on, and we're gonna click continue. It's gonna cut out 4 garland pieces per sheet. If you're not familiar with the Cricut products, go to www.cricut.com and check them out. They have many different kinds of cutting machines. This just is the most portable one that I brought along with me. They also have some iron-on stuff. It's a lot of fun. Paper crafts, vinyl crafts, iron-ons, all kinds of things. So I've got myself some 80-pound cardstock. So I'm going to tell the machine that I'm doing 80-pound cardstock. And when it's ready, it's going to tell me to tap go, and it's going to do all the cutting for me. I do like to do hand cut paper crafts as well, but occasionally it's nice to set it and go. I can walk away and work on another craft, or I can read a book, or I can watch TV. The Cricut cuts it out for me. This is not a design that I created myself. This is on the Cricut website. And it's going to cut out all of the little holes in the heart-shaped things and the holes for hanging. And then it's going to cut out the whole body. All right, it is finished cutting. And then I'm going to unload my material. I'm going to peel off the extra, and then I'm going to gently pull off the pieces of the banner. As you can see, some of the pieces stick to the mat. Later on, I'll scrape them off with a scraper. Okay, you're going to make sure all your holes are out so you can add them to your banner. Just going to take your thread and you're going to come up from the bottom and thread down through the hole. Add it to the banner. Oh, apparently I did it wrong because it was hanging funny. So up and down through the hole. Out the holes. You're going to come up from the bottom. Kind of like sewing on paper. And you're going to go down through the hole. And you're going to keep doing that until you have the amount of banner pieces that you would like. And you can hang it up. And that is how you will make your Valentine banner. If you have any questions, comments, please put them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little bell and you'll get notified when we have new projects on this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, and you have a good, happy Valentine's Day.